What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Junk Wagon Productions. We have had a small hiatus of, I'd say, somewhere of a month, and things have changed for me in this cat. His truck burnt to the ground, and just show him the picture and we'll explain. I kind of broke my nose, my skull, and my eye socket in several spots, so, you know, things changed, but his poor little cool Ranger decided just to, on fire. But anyways, yeah, there you go. Poof she goes. Water hose actually put it out. But since I really thrashed on a dirt car with the broke nose, and I've got one done, but as of yesterday, a sponsorship showed up and I've been in a dirt car one time. One time. So, you know, here is the finished version of the other one, and the next much more updated version of this one. This one's supposedly a 08 track star, and it's got a lot more updated equipment. Nice ball bearing bird cages, Franklin rear end, really raised frame rail. So more or less gonna give everybody a show of the tear down and weld check of more or less the new car. We don't know, so might as well start. Dirty Dale being Dirty Dale. Wouldn't make a man laugh, would you? It's all good though. Yeah, gonna go through and check all the welds, pull all the panels off, kind of see what we got to start with, and Cousin Knit's back. Well, let's jump right into the tear down. It's a mostly riveted car, some 1/4-inch bolts, but hey, let's jump in with some hand tools, have some fun, and 2 drills. Actually up to 4, but 2. I'm not sure how this plays. Yes. But just remember, this car is almost like new, except it's not. Alright, now we got the teardown complete, which is awesome. I think I'm gonna go through, check all the welds, make sure there's no cracks. If there is any cracks, just take a light color spray paint, paint the weld, so I can go back and repair it. And you know, so when we get out there, we don't have a flexible car, which you definitely do not want. You want it to work, no worries. So need you on the selfie stick, come follow me and we'll check some wheels. Now it's time to tag some of the ugliness. That is an engine mount on the passenger side, so not sure if you can see it, but there's a crack right there. That makes it more visible. Crack there. We're going to
Some ugliness on the front end mounts.
get rid of all that ugliness. That's just not happening. And let's see, kind of gobbed on non-fusion mess. This side, it's okay-ish. Tabs look okay. X bar for the front, which I quite
For the most part, the bones look really good.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I kind of like the X in the front.
Yeah.
More for your radiator than anything. I might have, my radiator might be too tall for this car.
Yes.
But thought I'd make drop down mounts. Let's see, nothing cracked, nothing bent. Ooh. Not sure what you call that, but I would not go with welding.
I like the push button on the firewall.
Yes, there's a lot of nice things on this thing. It's just, some of it's just really kind of ugly. This bar goes to nothing, if you can. It's just open bar with trash weld on it. You tie another bar into that bar and bring it into the corner.
Could have been done a lot better.
Yeah.
Like here.
Yes. Or it should be. Yeah, cut it off, try again. Let's see. Yeah, go lay down, buddy.
Door cage looks good.
Yeah.
Other than that one spot.
Not really seeing anything. Back bumper. Ugliness. That shall be redone as well. Not sure what they were doing, but it's not a good option. Kind of bent to the side. Quite ugly. Alright. You can tell what's factory and what is not. What is not is just ungodly ugly. Plenty of adjustment there. Probably over time this shall disappear and be rebuilt again as well. Let's see. Some quite ugly weld right here, so we're gonna be welding. Now we'll fix that. Not sure what kind of cockroaches was running down this guy's arm, but man, they pooped all over his welds.
Look like Cousin Ed did it.
No. You've got much more ability than this. That's okay-ish. Well, more or less. Not an extreme amount of welding to be done. Like Cousin It there said, it's not bad, it's just got a little work needs done.
It's got good bones.
Yeah, it's got good bones. There you go. Well, show you the interior and some of their great wiring work. And honestly, after that, I believe we're going to be out. This is kind of the idea of today. Got nice gauges. Come with quite a nice seat. Interior is quite nice. Decking's usable.
Fair.
Yeah, we'll go with fair. Here's the part I do like about this car though. This panel here. It's alright now. No big deal, kids are being kids, but yeah. I thought I got that out. That one's out. We can get this one out.
This one.
That one? Come on, hands, work with me. There she be. Ooh, there's the beautiful rat's nest. So, more or less, got good stuff in it.
I like that temperature sensor laying in here by the rest of the gauges though. That's nice.
You know, it's just, it goes back out here. That's keeping it out of the moisture. Solenoid on it. So, for today, that's another junk wagon production from me and old cousin Dirty Dale. Just figured we'd get a ease back into it. It's been a while for the both of us, you know. Yeah, he's had bad luck, I've had bad luck, but
I'm waiting on insurance. That's kind of been an issue. There will be another slammed Ranger in an extreme fashion.
and you will see it here.
Just hold on, because we're gonna do it right here.
Yes, now go wild with this one.
I'm gonna show you how to actually slam a Ranger way past where it should be.
And ride well, drive
Yeah.
well. With 500 pounds of two grown men in the
Yeah.
front seat. So, thanks for checking us out again, and hopefully it won't be near as long for the next one of these, right? It's only been, over a month. So,
Yeah.
we'll see you soon. Glad you tuned in. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.